ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಸ್ಮ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಹಾಂ, ವರ್ಕಿಂಗಾ? ಯಾವ ಥರ? ಓಕೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದಾ? ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗಾ? ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸು? ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತು. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದು? ಹಾಂ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Nandana from 6th standard. We have done the model, call it as solar irrigation system. Solar irrigation system uses solar energy to pump the water from the agricultural fields. When the sunlight streaks the solar panel, the energy will be conducted into electrical energy from solar energy. When the electrical energy turns to on the motor attached here and helps it to operate.
ಓಕೆ.
It helps in sucking the water up and helps in sucking water down out. It's helped in used water from the agricultural fields, various tubes, pipes and sprays. It helps in surface irrigation, drip irrigation, subsurface irrigation, sprinkler irrigation tank.
ಬರೋ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ. 24 ಟೂನಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರೋದ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾ, ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೋಡು ದೀಪ.
Side facing darkness causes the night. This is how we get day and night. One rotation causes 24 hours. One revolution causes 365 days.
ಓಕೆ.
In one revolution, we get so many seasons like winter, summer, etc. Today I am presenting you my model called a hydraulic landing bridge. This bridge helps us to carry heavy goods in a large ship. As you can see, I am pressing the switch which helps the bridge to get open. While I am pulling, it gets closed. Thank you very much.
ಹೈಡ್ರೋ ಕೇಳು. ಕಲರ್ಸ್. ಹಾಂ, ಇವ್ರದ್ದೇನು?
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Harini from 7th standard.
Okay.
Today my topic name is what is angle and what are the type of angle. It is reflex angle which measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. It is acute angle which measures less than 90 degree. It is right angle which measures exactly 90 degree. It is obtuse angle which measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. It is straight angle which measures exactly 180 degree. Thank you, ma'am, for listening my words. Have a nice day.
ಹಾಂ, ನಿಂದೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ನಿಂದೇಳು.
Myself from 7th standard. Today I am going to explain about acid and base exchange.
ಹಾಂ,
This is the termary indicator. This is the detergent base.
Okay.
And this is the acid lemon. When we wrote from the detergent, it turns red. And when we wrote again from the lemon, it turns acid. It is an acid. When we wrote on it, it turns again yellow.
ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಇದು ಯಾರ್ದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರು? LKGನಾ? ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ದು? ಹಾಂ, ಅಭಿನವ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
Because oil molecules are not polar. Oil water are polar and oil is lighter than the water, so oil flows on the water. Oil and fats not have any polar part. They would have to break separate water and hydrogen. We should know hybrid water. We get hardly 45 oil and water mix agala. Is 15. Thank you.
ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಏನು? ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
Highest common factors of 45 and 60. We want to find first prime factors of 45 and 60. Prime factors of 45 are 3 into 3 into 5. Prime factors of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. We want to find now here common factors of these two prime factors. Here water is 5 and 3. We want to multiply them, we get highest common factor.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Water pollution
Water.
is the major problem. It happens due to the harmful chemicals are entering the water bodies and factories are leaving out to the rivers or oceans. It happens. Aquatic life is harmful.
Of course,
in
when I pull the needles, means it come downwards. Chandrayaan-3 is the first third lunar mission of the moon sent by ISRO. Its mass is 3,900 kgs,
Okay.
and including the Vikram lander. And the lifespan of this machine is 14 days in the space, and it works on the land of the moon. Its mass is 753 kg, including the rovers. And the Aditya L1 is
Standard. My model name is lungs. When we inhale,
lungs.
when we inhale, the air enters to the lungs, and carbon dioxide releases from the air.
ಇದು
Good morning, ma'am. This project is called as automatic street light. An automatic street light system is designed as automatically switched on. When we use this, it is useful for the people while they are buying
ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂತ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದೇನು ಹೇಳು
It is used to record the votes in election, and it is a simple, efficient way to secure count of votes. The materials we have used to prepare this model: microSwitch, LED bulb, battery, buzzer, and connector.
ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಓಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು
And
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಹಾಂ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ ಓಟೇ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಓಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಕ್ಕ ಹಾಂ ಇವನಿಂದ ಡೋಂಟ್
Solar system.
ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಾ ಇದೇನು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗಾ ಹಾಂ
ತಿರುಗಿಸೋ ಬಟನ್
ತೋರಿಸು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ತೋರಿಸು ನಿಂದು ಸೋಲಾರಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ದೇನಿದೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ರಾ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾವುದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡು ಹಾಂ
ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಲ in our ears there will be receptors. When we hear something, the receptors gives the
ಹಾಂ ಇದು ಏರು
ears we have receptors. The receptors will give the information to this neuron. Dendrites will be the first to receive the information. From these dendrites, the information passes to the nucleus. From this nucleus, again the information passes through the axons, but in the form of electrical signals. From here, again the information passes through this nerve ending. This nerve ending will pass the information to the another connected neuron. This
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಆರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ಡು
Complementary angle. The angle which measure above 90 degree, that is complementary angle. About complementary angle, as a concerning 8th standard, this is electrolysis. Electrolysis is a process that contains electric current to cause a chemical change. I will show you experiment. This is salt water.
ಓಕೆ
Salt water is conducting electricity. This is baking soda. Baking soda is conducting electricity.
Yes.
And this is tap water. Tap water is also conducting electricity. This is drinking water. It is conducting electricity. This is lemon juice. It is conducting electricity. And this is vinegar. It is conducting
ಏನದು
vinegar.
ಓಕೆ
This is square number. Its square number is 64. The cubic number means the number which when we multiply this is called cubic number. The number, for example, 8 cubic number is 512. Thank you. This is our wind power generator. When we on the switch, the blade is start to rotate. The blade is connected to rotor. Rotor is connected to generator. Generator produce electricity and the electricity is distributed.
ಇವಾ ಇದು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ
Good morning, myself Sai Tejur from 7th standard. Today I am going to explain about the circle. There are many. This is charm, and this is circumference of the circle. Thank you. My circumference of the circle.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಬೋಟ್
Myself, seventh standard. I am going to explain a KRS model.
ಹ್ಞೂ
It was designed by Sir Vishweshwaraya and it was race was from Mysore, Mandya, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. It was and it used to make electricity and it was built by Maharaja of Mysore, Krishnaraja Wadiyar. It was constructed started 1911 and it was completed in 1941.
Electricity will be generated and the rotated energy will be generated and it will come to our houses like and the light will be on.
Good morning, myself Shrivari from 6th standard.
Okay.
This is the model of Earth and Sun.
Earth.
The model of Earth and Sun is called
ಅದು ಇದು ಸಣ್ಣ
The model of Earth and Sun is called heliocentrism, which means the Sun is in the center of the solar system and Earth revolves around it. The distance between Earth and Sun is 14,761 million kilometers. The Earth is the third planet in the solar system. The Earth is neither near to the Sun, neither far to the Sun, so we cannot get extreme hot or extreme cold.
ಹಾಂ
When the Earth will rotate, for which part the Sun will give light, that part will be there and the another part will be night time.
ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬಾ ಬಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬಾ ಚಂದ್ರನ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಹೋಗೈತೆ ನೀರೈತೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡು ಹಾಂ ಮೂರೇ ದಿವಸ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ದೇನಿದ್ದು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗಾ
ಹ್ಞೂ ಆಂಟಿ
ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಾರು
ನಾನೇ ಆಂಟಿ
ಹೇಳು
ನಾನು ಅಬಿಕ್ಕು ಚೆನ್ನಯ್ಯ ಚಂದನು ಅಚ್ಯುತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಚ್ಯುತು ಚಂದನು ಇದು ಹೈಟೆಕ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೈಟೆಕ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ಸಿಟಿ ಇದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
This is our ATM model. It is like a mini ATM machine. If you need money from the ATM, first you want to insert your ATM card and enter your secret code. Then you want to choose and press withdraw button. You have money in the ATM. You can get money.
ಬಂತಾ ಹಾಂ ತಗೊಬಿಡವ ನೋಡಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂತು ಬಾ ಹ್ಞೂ ನಿಮ್ದೇನಿದೆ ಏನು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಬಸ್
ನಾವು ಊಟ ತಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ನಿಮ್ದೇನು ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ ನಾನು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ವರ್ಕಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
Size of heart just roughly like our fist. Good morning. Good morning, I'm myself. I am from class 5. My model is human heart. It is the most important organ of our system. It is located in the chest cavity. The size of the heart.
ಬೀಚು ಹೋಟೆಲು ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಓಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹಾಂ
My topic is keyboard. There are lots of keys in keyboard. Keyboard is an important thing. It is very important part of computer. We enter So, my model name is air pollution. Air pollution means creating air pollution, polluting the air with dust and harmful particles. Air pollution makes environment dirty. We can stop air pollution by using this model is bulbs. Green trees and bulbs. Trees. Green.
ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು ಅದೇನಾ ಸೇಮಾ ಓಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದೇನಾ ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಯಿಲಾ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ATM ಓಕೆ
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Chitra. My topic is ATM. ATM is available 24/7. ATM is available day and night.
ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್
Now I will take it for this 500.
ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಾ
Cheapest to among all the remedies.
ಹೇಳಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗಾ
Myself, Bharatanagar from 5th standard. Windmill is a star that
ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗಾ ನಾನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗಾ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏನೋ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆಯೇನೋ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯೇನೋ ಹೇಳು
can I explain?
ಹಾಂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್
Myself, from Anglo Education.
ಹಾಂ
I am studying first.
ಹಾಂ ಇದು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿ
Can I explain?
ಹಾಂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
My name is Ranjan. I am studying in 3rd standard. My topic is water pollution.
ನಿಂಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಟಾರ ಓಕೆ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ನೀವೇ ಬೇಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್
My name is Nisha.
ಹಾಂ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಹಾಂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸು
Third standard. My name is Neksha. I am studying in 3rd standard. My topic is internal organs. Organs that are inside the body and cannot be seen directly are called internal organs. Example: heart, lungs, brain, liver, stomach, kidney. Heart is the main organ of our body system. The respiratory system is consists of
ಓಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಬಕಸ್ ಟೆಲ್
Myself, Mansi from class 4. Myself, Purnima from class 4. We are studying about abacus. Abacus is also called counting frame. It was the first calculator. Today the topic of my speech is agriculture. Agriculture is the source of growing plants and raise animals. Agriculture provides us with the food. Farmers grow crops and raise livestock. It is one of the important industries in the world. They also raise animals for
ಯಾರು ಬಂದಾಗ